Are you vaping? If not, and you're interested, let me show you how it works. This is your battery. All you do is you get your battery, you could put it in this charger here. If you have a computer, put it in your computer. If you don't have access to a computer, you could put it in your wall charger and put that right in the wall. You could even put this in your car charger. It takes about a couple hours to charge. I do mine at night like I would do my cell phone. Then I'm ready to put my tank on top. Nice thing about this, there's over 100 different flavors of nicotine. You could put nicotine liquid you could put in here. Mine, I'm using today's mango. So you just take the tip off. If you notice there's a little bar in the center, you can't get liquid on there. But if you turn it on an angle like this and just drip your liquid along the wall of the tank, you'll have no problem. Just keep it a little bit behind that white cap and twist your tank back, your tip back on your tank. Now, on this one here, this is the Vape USA one that I'm demonstrating. It has a different voltage all the way from 3.2 to 4.8, and that just gives you a different hit in the back of your throat. So I'm going to keep mine right in the center at the 4.3. Click this till it turns blue, hold it in, and enjoy.